You see this movie that has come in, okay, that is coming in. I'm going to show you the trailer for you. You will be appalled on seeing it. Okay, it's called Tridev. Okay, you see Tridev, right? This is the screen for the Tridev trailer. Okay, and you see, but you know what they are doing. You know, is it is done by Ayub Khan. Okay, please note it. Tridev is it's a tagline. Is undercovering the Bhagwan. Okay, and you will see how they are ridiculing exactly with the name undercovering the Bhagavan. Okay, and you see how they are ridiculing Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. Okay. Did you see the trailer?
I saw the trailer, and it is very concerning that they are using, because Hindus are tolerant and they accept, they are not the ones who will go and
And
behead.
Ayub Khan or some name, it's very
Yes.
very systematic, and
No,
also you had to, you are an activist. It comes under free speech.
yes. Actually, sadly, under free speech and democracy, a lot of abuse is happening against the Hindus. Recently the trend has really aggravated. Bollywood has always been Hinduphobic. That is something we have been studying and analyzing for a
And
while now.
drug phobic too. There is some
Now,
relation between both.
absolutely, I think that has come out very well recently, and I hope that it goes to its logical end, because we all know it in a subaltern way. We know that this is happening. We have the undercurrents are visible. We are aware. We hear of the rave parties of Bollywood for a long time, but now when they are being exposed, they act like victims. So it's very similar. The entire process is very similar, and this movie is just a reflection of some of the trends that we are seeing in the past few years, where there were movies, especially on the OTT platform, where anything goes. But this Tridev, I can see, is taking it just to that very next level, calling these people as losers and Chelsea, and I saw that they were stealing and
Pahla chor, dusra chor, tisra chor.
Isra chore. Yes.
Okay,
So,
and
yes,
three losers.
three losers.
And when you see the,
Chelsea,
huh?
Chelsea. There was a word Chelsea. Chelsea is
Yes,
also drug
right.
addict.
And
So
Bhagavan jaisa tum kuch bhi mat karo. And
yeah.
the lady is coming for and doing the Deeparadhana for the Nangas. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
it's
And
unbelievable. Can you do
remo-
a movie on their book?
we cannot. Obviously, we cannot. And this one slightly reminds me of PK, which was such a super hit. And that is the fact that Hindus will never even, not only will they not react, I mean, even if a small cartoon is made, then France saw the beheadings and, all of those things. And uh, I mean, for Hindus, they are going to the movies, they are making it a super hit, and they are laughing at those jokes.
And
So,
one more thing, Richa ji, Arnab in Republic exposed this. In recent times, like movies like PK, get super hit in China, where they neither know English nor know Hindi. And it gets super hit there. No idea how. And how the money, because there it accounts for a large sum of incoming funds that was exposed. After Arnab exposed, that trend of movies getting popularized in China all of a sudden stopped.
Correct.
Please continue. Yeah.
No, the Bollywood nexus with ISI has been also under investigation. Bollywood nexus with drugs, they're all connected, and that nexus with Hinduphobia and the fact that it is ruled by the Khans. It is not a coincidence, that all the 4 or 5, top heroes, even the cameos like Nasiruddin Shah, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, all of those people usually come
And
from
story writer, like
story
the half
writer.
crazy, this guy,
Absolutely. So, the music, lyrics
Javed
about
Akhtar, or
they all have a connection and a sort of nexus, where they do not allow Hindu talent to flourish and go ahead.
and
They remain
then they will get the Sushant type of ending.
absolutely stalling, movies. I think it happened to this other young kid called Kartik Aryan. He was a young actor, and suddenly his career is going nowhere. Earlier he was doing very well, and then now so Sushant Singh Rajput, Kartik Aryan, and many others. Vivek Oberoi, Ashwarya Rai. Their careers were destroyed by these people. Khans. So it is very very well known, and um, I mean, the fact that the Bollywood industry is not, it's not a good industry at this time. It has these undercurrents of drug and, even pedophilia and all of that. It has sort of been discussed, a lot, recently. And I'm just saying what I have heard, what I have seen in the news. I do not have any direct link to it, but we do analyze the movies and how they are coming up, ridiculing our gods or abusing, our gods. And of course, when you mentioned the tilak, you're wearing a tilak right now, and we are trying to reintroduce the glory of the tilak. It ties into the Agna Chakra, and it is part of our spiritual process. Hinduism is a way of life also. So they always show in Bollywood the tilak as every time a villain is
Villains and comedians have it.
yeah, comedians have it or the villain will have it. So we don't realize it until someone points it out to us. So thanks to Arnab and some other such reporters and people in the media who have made us think again, because I think most of us were laughing at the jokes of PK, and then now we're realizing that the joke is on us.
Absolutely, absolutely. And in fact, we have already requested all the organizations responsible in Bharat to boycott these films, and work is this thing. And I will recommend for you to use your platform too to kind of stop these nonsense that is going around.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We have to use, whatever platforms we have. I think making awareness, raising awareness is the biggest thing, because most people are slowly realizing, like I said, the joke is on us and they are laughing all the way to the bank. So we really have to stop that process.
Absolutely. It was great pleasure talking to you again. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Namaste. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for having me.